Hey Praisers and Savers, I am chilling at the pool with my kiddos. If you can hear them in the background, they're all screaming a little bit. But I wanted to talk a little bit about Dollar General because Dollar General can be a real game changer for the products that you don't get paper coupons for. So with that being said, the Dollar General app has great coupons, and there will be coupons on there for your toiletries and also for food. So, just let's say you want pasta sauce or whatever. You need pasta sauce because you're running low and there's no paper coupons out for pasta sauce. Always check your Dollar General app to see if there's any pasta sauce on the app, and then you can go in there, because Dollar General is like Walmart, where the prices are always pretty much low all the time. Sorry, my coupons. I'm sitting here at this pool with my coupons. The prices are pretty much always low at Dollar General, and so if you can find a coupon on the app, that's even better. I like to go and get those shelf staple foods that I know I need on Saturdays, because you can use that $5 off 25 coupon in addition to it. So I'll go in there a lot of times just to buy groceries. And what happens is if I go to the Dollar General during the week, or a friend does, they'll leave me their Dollar General receipt. So I'll just collect a bunch of Dollar General receipts. And on that receipt, there's usually a $5 off 25 coupon, and you also automatically get one on the app every week anyways. So you can do a couple different transactions on Saturday. So, let's say I'm running low on like things I use for baking. Like if I need sugar and flour and salt and all those things, I will definitely pick those things up at Dollar General to be able to use that $5 off 25 app. So just check your app for any grocery coupons that are on there. A lot of times people are soda drinkers and there's not coupons for soda that comes out, but Dollar General always has coupons for soda on their app. Or they'll have like a deal where you can buy 3 12 packs of soda for $9, or 12 packs of soda for $10, and there'll be a $1 off coupon. Now that's not a huge coupon, but every little bit counts, is what I always tell my friends. So going back to the 5 for $25 on the app, you need to be careful of this, because so many times when you're trying to get to your $25 threshold to use your coupon, you mess up. So it is $25 before taxes. And so whenever they ring you up at the store, they'll say, your total is $25.30. So what you must do is ask the cashier, say, hey, what is my total before taxes? What is my subtotal? So when you get that subtotal, they may say it's $23. Well, if the subtotal is less than $25, it is not going to come off when you put your phone number in. Your $5 for $25 is not going to come off on your app. Now, your coupons might, but it may not for your app. Also, always ask your cashier, say, hey, am I at my $25 on my subtotal yet? And they may say no. Today that happened to me, and I'll have one of my kids go grab, a carton of milk or a carton of eggs, or there may be a little candy at the register that you can grab for that filler item, so you get to that $25 threshold if you have nothing else. So make sure you get there $25 before your subtotal. The other thing is, let's say you get the receipt, and the receipt has the 5 for $25 off on the bottom, and you want to use that instead of using the 5 for $25 off on your app. You must give them that receipt to take that 5 for $25 off first. So you do your transaction, give them the receipt if you have one of those coupons, or 5 for $25 off on your receipt. Give them that. They take that off, and then you put your phone number in. You must do it that way, because if they ring you up, then you put your phone number in, and you don't have a 5 for $25 off on your app, and then you try to give them the 5 for $25 off receipt coupon, it's not going to work. It's not going to come off. But normally every week you get a 5 for $25 off on your app, so you can just click that, add that to your transaction. Now, trying to think anything else. There's also a lot of times that we'll get like a 5 for $25 off on the app, and also if you spend $15, you'll get $3 off. Those won't come off at the same time. They will not come off at the same time. Those need to be different transactions. All right, guys. Also, be prepared to get different items that you didn't expect to get, because you'll go into your Dollar General and then all the game will be wiped out, or all the toilet paper will be wiped out. Just have different scenarios. Some of my favorite couponers, shout out to City Coupon Mom. She does a great breakdown on her channel. I used to do visual breakdowns for Dollar General, but every Dollar General was different. Everyone needed different things. Because I tend to stick with the paper towels, you know, the toilet paper, and any kind of food items. That's what I like to shop at Dollar General. I will get soaps and things if I need it, but I usually get those, you know, for free or almost for free at CVS and Kroger. So it's whatever works for you. And so I'm going to put the, there's actually 2 Dollar General apps that you can use. And I will put the link to the other Dollar General app in the description box. And I like the second Dollar General app, not just like the main one, because you can actually make lists on this Dollar General app. And so I'll put that in the description box. So check that out. So anyways, guys, if you have any other thoughts about Dollar General that you need to share, or something that I didn't share that could be helpful for someone else, please put it in the comments below for your friends. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and like this video. All right, share with your friends. Thanks, guys.